As you can see, I'm using my OSHA approved log to hold the car up. It's winter in Nova Scotia, it snowed, and I'm going to try and clean out Redball today. At least the sun's out and it's kind of warm. We're going to go through it and see what kind of goodies came with it. It's full of crap and some stuff's usable, some stuff isn't. So let's see what we got. That is just full of stuff. I don't think the seat's bolted down very well. This looks familiar, but I don't know what it's off of. If anyone recognizes that spear piece of trim, let me know. Oh, that's cool. It's like a 47 to early 55 Chev truck visor. I'm putting gloves on. This stuff's filthy. Hood trim, maybe? Lower grill? That's definitely hood. Why is there so much crap in this car? Spare grill, little bent up. Another piece of hood trim. Okay, now we're getting into the weird stuff. That's cool. So if anyone's looking for original wheel covers, apparently I have a bunch. Also this style. Oh, cool! A spare trunk lid. That is not in horrible shape. There's a lot of glass in back here. Kind of okay floor mats. They're not great, but they're cool. Some of this stuff I know exactly where it's from, like what part of the car, and some of this stuff I'm drawing a blank. distributor cap, and a spare emergency brake pedal. Neither of that stuff would be used again. Rear window track, I believe. Oh yeah, there's a big rat's nest. Or squirrel. That's disgusting. Spare glass. It's actually not in terrible shape. This glass is better though. Other side spare glass. Keep moving my camera every time I put something down by it. Shampoo is better! 33% more! Like 5 people are going to get that reference. Oh, come on, you. Don't ruin the coat and don't ruin the glass. I like the coat. That's a spare back window. I'm going to put this somewhere safe. I'll be right back. That's probably good to have. Okay, now we're getting into kind of cool stuff. Rocker trim. This I need to keep. I will try to straighten it the best I can. I don't know if I'm going to use it again, but I might. I have a real dilemma. If I want to keep all the chrome on the car, or if I want to shave it, because I think it's gonna end up going kind of a darkish green, like not quite like my coat, but I'll post a picture up of the house of color I'm thinking of. So, do I keep the chrome? Do I delete the chrome? I'm not sure what the move here is. That's cool, and that's going on the wall. Or, I don't know, I might try and keep the Marlin steering wheel. The other side door is stuck too, so it looks like we're going to cut that one open at some point. Let's see what's in the trunk. I don't think these cars really did well in the winter. What is this? I don't know what this is. If there's any Marlin fans, can you let me know? Looks like it takes a vacuum line for something, or 2 vacuum lines. Wiper? Vacuum actuated wipers? These are really heavy. I'm surprised. I have three of these. Every one is missing the M. Well, the floor is in better shape than the blue one. Not that it matters. Dash is going to come out. Windshield has to come out. Hood's got to come off. Doors got to come off. Fenders. So that I can start. A lot of my work's already done. But I can start cutting it into a shell. Not bad. It's better in some spots than the other one.